Hey, my friends, thank you for stopping by and checking out this short video. My name is Troy Robison, and I am about to hook you up. Now, look, I want you to stay to the end of this video because I've got some rocking bonuses I'm going to share with you that's going to help you get your business up and running to where you can be making $500 a month extra, which is good. Now, you pay off a car note, $500 a week, and even $500 multiple times a week over and over again. All right, I'm going to show you the system I use. I'm going to show you the marketing methods I use, the traffic sources I use. And when you join me, you're going to get all of that as a bonus. Okay, so stay to the end and I'll go over those bonuses in more detail. But again, my name is Troy Robison. I'm an affiliate marketer. I work from home. I've been doing this for 8, 9 years, I guess, along with network marketing over the past 12, 13 years, and traditional businesses before that. So I have a little bit of experience. I know what to look for. I know how to teach and train you to do what I do so that you can get what I got. And a lot of people can come in and get more than I got. I'm kind of a lazy marketer. I put 10, 15 hours a week where I should be probably doing more. But, you know, $3,000 or $4,000 a month is comfortable for me, so I just chill with it, right? It's all about your time freedom, spending time with your kids, your spouse, whatever it might be, traveling. If you ever go to my Facebook page, it's facebook.com/TRobison7 or Troy Robison 7. You'll follow us, and we are always four-wheeling or at the beach. It's because it's the lifestyle that I want, your lifestyle that you want. Get it on your dream board, and let's make it happen together, okay? Now, what I want to do real quick, again, I want to say thank you. I want you to subscribe to my channel because I'm always pulling out cool videos and training and free stuff. Subscribe, like the video, share the video with a friend or two, and also go ahead and hit the notification bell because that notification bell is going to give you a ding every time I put up another cool video because that's just how I roll. Now look, first off, let me talk to you about Press One Vcard, okay? I've been with these guys for 5 years on 4 other products, and it's a good affiliate program, a good money maker, okay? Look, the reality is this. If we could make everyone an extra $500 to $1,000 just a month, that'd give people breathing room. They can pay their mortgage, pay their rent, do stuff with their kids. I'm not going to teach you how to become a millionaire because I ain't one. But what I am going to teach you is to become successful, and then you can take what I teach you at $500, $1,000 a month or a week, and then you can 10x it and put as much time or as little time as you want into it. But today what I'm going to share with you is the P1VC, Press One Vcard, okay? This is an auto texting card that affiliate marketers can use, network marketers, very powerful to use, and traditional business owners, right? There is 36+ million people looking for a way to not only make money, but a way to promote their existing business. Now, you can join Press One Vcard with me and never resell it, right? You'll own the resale rights, but you don't have to resell it. You can set up this Vcard, I'm going to show you, and promote any business you want. And there's so much more you can put on this Vcard, right? I've got my number where you can call or text. I've got my cool emoji pic. I've got my little slogan. If you have a hair salon or a carpet cleaning or a roofing company, you can put a coupon here, right? They can download the Vcard onto their phone like an app, which is really cool because they can save it forever. You know how people get those business cards, just throw them away with the other 10,000. Now they can download this Vcard and it shows up as a little app on their phone. So they always have you on touch dial, right? And then I've got the share the Vcard, visit my website, my phone number, my Facebook page. You can go right here and follow me on Facebook. I will be putting in my Instagram on my YouTube channel so that you can stay in touch with me here. But the options are limitless, really. As much as you can vision is as much as you can build this card out to be. What is it that you want to promote? Do you want to promote yourself? Do you want to promote a brand? Do you want to promote a company, a product, a service? Whatever it is, this Vcard can do it all for you. You can do a lot with this Vcard, right? So let me get back to what the Vcard is. It is a virtual business card. In other words, when someone calls your number, we all get our own allocated numbers. I'd like you to test it right now. Go ahead and pause the video. Call this number and press 1. It's going to send you my Vcard, and you get to look at it on your phone, how cool it is. It's laid out. Push the buttons. Check out the videos. and see for yourself and get your mind going on exactly what you can do with your Vcard. How can you promote it? You know, maybe it's just drop cards with, hey, would you like to make 500 a day, and put that number there, call this number. You put your allocated SMS number. This is kind of like an SMS automated system, but it's not an SMS broadcaster. I got a lot of people calling me going, how many SMS can you send out? This is not an SMS text blaster. This is a SMS autoresponder. So when you promote your number, that's going to promote your Vcard with whatever business you want on it. Okay, that's up to you. But when you promote that number, they'll call that number and they'll be prompted to press 1. And when they press 1, boom, it's going to send them automatically a link to your Vcard. They're going to click on that link in their text, and boom, it's going to open up their Vcard, and they'll have the options to save it, go through it, call you, look at your business, look at your service, your product, and get rocking and rolling from there. So that's really, really cool. So I want you to go to this page. You can click on the link below, or go to my Vcard and click Visit Website, right? It's right here. Visit my website, and it will bring you to this website. I want you to check it out and watch each couple videos so that you can kind of understand. Because you're an adult, I don't need to read all this to you, right? This is a very powerful but short page. It tells you everything that this Vcard does and what it's for. Watch the video.
Everyone's on their cell phones.
Everybody's on their cell phones, right? Yes, Paul, that's correct. Everyone's on their cell phones. This is for everyone that has a cell phone that's looking to promote and make an extra side gig, right? 500, 1,000 a week or a month, or traditional business owners to have something unique and creative that they can promote their traditional or existing MLM business with, right? So we're trying to get into the space of the 50+ million business owners with a unique method to promote their business, to stand outside the box, to look different, bigger, and better than everybody else, right? That's the key to this product. But if you don't even have a product or a service, or you're not part of an MLM anymore, or never wanted to be, which is most people, I'm not anymore, although I did make well over $1 million in it. This is a good product. Why? Because look, it is a one-time $5.97 to own the resale rights, where you get one Vcard, you get one number allocated to you, you get 100 SMS credits, right? For people to text that, push 1 on that number. But here's the power. How do you earn the income? Right here, look at this. Stop it. Right here. Boom. Every time you share this with prospects and someone joins you on their website, you get paid directly $500. $500. How many of those do you need a month to be free? Not free, millionaire free, free from debt, free from the car note, the insurance, the mortgage, whatever it is. Add that up. Is it $1,500? I know for a fact most people I talk to, $1,500 can get them some breathing room, really, right? Okay, so that's 3 sales a month, 1 every 7, 10 days, right? So 10, 12 days, whatever that is, right? And look, here's the power of it. If you follow my training and give my training to the next person that joins you, then you're going to be able to duplicate what I'm doing with you, and you get their first one upsell. That is extremely, extremely powerful. Not only do you make 500 on your first sale, but you make 500 on every sale therefore. Also, what I'm going to do is I'm going to give you my training, my Craigslist training, how I kill it on Craigslist and get 80 to 100 people a day. I'm also going to throw you in my SMS blaster, my text blaster for a week. Actually, I'm going to give you 2 weeks on that. All right. I'll also build you a capture page and give you 100,000 numbers. So here's what I want you to do. I want you to click the link below. All right. Click the link below. Give me a call. Go through. Set up your account. Let's get ready to rock and roll so I can help you make some money. Give you these bonuses. Give you my ad copy. Give you my traffic sources. And let's together work together to make that extra 500, 1,500, 2,000 a month, whatever it is that you need to be at the right place, right? Okay, summer's almost here. It's time to get rocking and rolling. Let's get this money, okay? God bless you. I look forward to seeing you on the inside. Let's roll.